Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 3-function temperature control complete shower system with rough-in valve, 10 inches brushed nickel. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐬𝐴𝐻𝐶𝐻.com. 1. Trust-made shower system features a 10 inches by 10 inches oversized spray area with a nozzle's rainfall shower head, full covering your body, feels like the whole sky is raining down on you. 2. Solid brass body, the bathroom faucet using brass material. Environmental health, make sure that your domestic water, away from the lead poisoning, protect the health of your family. 3. Hot and cold water supply, single handle, make it easy to adjust the water temperature and pressure. Silicone tips on rain shower and handheld for calcium buildup. 4. This brushed nickel polished shower faucet, square hand shower, unique design, high standard brushed nickel finished on the surface, scratch resistant, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. 1. Primary material, brass. 2. Rain shower head, 304 stainless steel. 3. Handheld shower head, brass. 4. Sealing shower arm, stainless steel. 5. Product type, complete shower system. 6. Mounting location, wall mounted. 7. Adjustable water flow, yes. 8. Maximum water flow, 2 GPM. 9. Shower head type, fixed shower head. 10. Number of faucet, 3. 11. Spray pattern, full/standard. 12. Required valve type, ceramic disc. 13. Number of handles, 3. 14. Valve cartridge included, yes. 15. Electronic control unit included, no. 16. Adjustable spray pattern, no. 17. Rough-in valve included, yes. 18. Diverter valve included, yes. 19. Shower arm length, 15.75 inch, 400 millimeters. 20. Hose length, 59 inch, 1.5 meter. 21. Finish, brushed nickel. 22. Rain shower head size, 10 inch. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐬𝐴𝐻𝐶𝐻.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐬𝐴𝐻𝐶𝐻 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐬𝐴𝐻𝐶𝐻 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐷oloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.